Hello, my name is Jeanne Whiting. I am co-founder and executive director of the Desmoid Tumor Research Foundation, also known as DTRF. The foundation started from a personal journey that I had myself with desmoid tumors. I was actively treated between the period of 2001 and 2010, going through surgery, recurrence, a year on a targeted therapy, and 18 months on a chemotherapy, eventual 6 years of multiple procedures to install stents to try to keep my kidney alive. I eventually lost that battle and lost the right kidney. So it was a long journey. At the time that I was starting this journey, I met my co-founder, Marlene Portnoy, online. She was facing, as a caregiver for her husband, who had a similarly located desmoid tumor, facing the same frustrations: lack of research on the disease, lack of protocol for treatment, and lack of options in treatments. So we decided to start the foundation to make a difference in the disease. We had no idea the kind of journey that we were facing. I was a former attorney. She had been involved in marketing. We combined our experience and figured that we could figure this out. But we are still going strong as we move into our 18th year at DTRF. Our mission is to fund research to bring about more effective therapies in desmoid tumors and to eventually find a cure for the disease, as well as to support patients as they are going through their own journeys and to connect with them and help with education, more knowledge of the disease. And we provide educational programs and networking opportunities for patients. So it's twofold. Our research, we have very experienced researchers. We funded institutions all around the world. In the top sarcoma researchers in the world, we are an international organization. We also fund early career investigators and are trying to build the cohort of new PIs who want to enter the field. So we hope that our funding and our meetings, we also hold a research workshop annually. All of our main events are actually occurring this week. In September, we have been meeting virtually for the last 2 years during COVID, but next year we plan to have a hybrid situation with all of our meetings for patients as well as for researchers and clinicians. And we hold those meetings in Philadelphia. We invite any clinicians, researchers to join us. We've had up to 190 registrants for our research workshop, involving up to 100 institutions in over 30 countries. So it's growing and growing, and we hope that we can continue to grow and have more of a worldwide involvement in the disease. And one of our greatest accomplishments, actually in 18 years, 17 years, has been this week when we had the results from the first registered phase 3 trial run by SpringWorks in a drug called nirogacestat, which they reported very positive data, and they're going to submit an NDA before the end of the year to the FDA. And we are hoping that we will be getting the first drug ever approved in this disease.